Hello, my name is Kyle Jarris, and I'm the Education Director at the Academy of Model Aeronautics. I'm glad you found this quick project, and I know you're going to have a great time and learn a lot. Without further ado, enjoy this quick project.
Hey everybody, it's me, Claire, at the Academy of Model Aeronautics, and today we're going to build a balloon rocket. I'm really excited to do this project with you. It is a lot of fun and could be something that you can do a little competition with your friends and family. So you're going to need to gather your materials first of all. You're going to need a balloon, a big straw. This is one of those straws that you might use for a milkshake or bubble tea, something like that, one of the larger sorts of straws. A chip clip, we'll see why you may need this later. Tape, string, and I don't have it on camera, but you are going to need a couple of chairs, some scissors, and a whole lot of room. You're going to want to do this in a long hallway or maybe your garage. You could even do this outside if it's not a windy day. So we're going to set our string aside because we're not going to need it just yet. And we are going to make something that looks kind of like this. And this might not look like much of a rocket right now, but you'll see. It's pretty cool. So we're going to take our balloon and blow it up. Fortunately, I already have a balloon here that's all set for us to use. And see, I have it clipped with this chip clip here so that we don't lose any of the air. We're just going to set that aside for now. We're going to get our straw and our tape. And we are going to tape our straw onto the balloon. And you want the end of the straw to be pointing to the mouth of the balloon, which can be a little bit difficult since the balloon is curved and the straw is straight, but I believe in you. I know you can do it. See what I mean by this is a pretty quick and easy project? So that's basically the whole thing, but the fun part starts when we launch it. So we're going to go ahead and take this over to another space, and we're going to launch our balloon, and you'll see why I call it a rocket balloon. The best place to launch your balloon rocket is down a long hallway or a big room where you have set up two chairs on either end with a really long piece of string. You're going to tape one end of the string to one chair and string your balloon to the other end. Then you're going to tape it onto the chair, and then you're going to get ready to launch. So what I do is just take the clip off and let it go.
Hey guys, I hope you had a great time with that quick project. We have a ton more content available, so be sure to check out the website amaflightschool.org and modelaircraft.org, both of which have a plethora of resources. Until next time, we'll see y'all later. Keep flying.